Good day, kid. Today is a great day to learn a new verse. Let's start off with Romans 10 verse 13. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Romans 10 verse 13. Everyone who calls on the name of the Lord will be saved. We'll repeat once more. Romans 10 verse 13. Everyone who calls on the name of the Lord will be saved. Fantastic attempt! Let me test you now. Fill in the verse with the missing words. Great! Ah! Aliens are here! Say the verse and get them away from me! Phew! Thanks! You saved me, kid! Remember, God will save you when you call for Him, even from an alien invasion. Thanks, kid! See you soon!
Created using Powtoon.